today I'm gonna look for the queen. Okay, that was already harder than I thought. This is a good sign. I don't see a queen, which I never do, but I do see brood and honey. Okay, now I have some hope that there is a queen. Just need a little hope that I can spot her. Okay, probably not on the second frame. I feel like this is a likely contender. I sure do not see a queen. Oh, there's so many tunnels though. I need to probably create a scenario without tunnels. Okay. I feel like this right there. Is that the queen?
Yep.
Woohoo! I've never found the queen before. She was running fast, faster than all the others. That's how I saw it. I feel like that might be bee bread or pollen. And I also think, oh here, I'll pull up this resource frame that I put in the other day. And then I'm gonna call it a win and get out of here. Resource frame from a few days ago. Now I'm just gonna try to get out of here quick. Call it a win.
Be careful putting those frames together. You do not want to smash that queen.
Finally found a queen. That is the first time ever I have found a queen on my own. I am so happy. That means my hive, hopefully it means it's in the right direction. I need to clean up all that gross comb somehow, someday, but the goal for today, find the queen. I found the queen. Thanks for watching. Bye.